What's going on, guys? Today I want to go over this BMW key fob cover. Now this cover is really nice. It's got a leather type finish on it, and it's also got some really nice stitching. The build quality on this is actually really good. The logo on the back, that is not printed so well, but on the front side of it and the icons for all the buttons look really well. The unlock, lock, trunk, and siren. It also comes with this short lanyard and also this stitch pattern with this BMW emblem here, as well as a clip. When you purchase it, they do give you a little screwdriver, and how you put it together and take it apart is by unscrewing this screw here. So once you take that screw out, it releases this clip here, and your key fob slides right out. Again, the quality on this key fob cover is actually really good. I was very surprised. The leather, everything feels really good about it, and it fits perfectly. So everything lines up perfectly. And then we just slip that right onto there and screw it right back into place. So guys, this key fob cover is really good at protecting your key fob from getting any scratches and scuffs. After a couple years, my key fobs always get destroyed. So it'll be even cheaper to replace one of these covers, because I think I picked it up for 15 or 20 bucks, whereas a brand new key fob is going to cost you like 200 plus at BMW. You can just replace the plastic, that's an option if you're able to find the shell, but this is just going to be a lot easier, and I like the look on it as well. If you guys found the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up, guys. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Let me know what you guys think of this key fob cover, if you guys would use one on your keys. And check out my channel for more car videos, especially the BMW G20. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.